Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely bob braid using Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous box braid. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just sectioning my hair, then I'm going to be using a rubber band to hold it down. The main reason why I love using rubber band to hold it down is going to hold all my edges, everything okay. Make sure you didn't tighten your hand when you are using your rubber band to hold your hair down. So now I'm going to take 7 strands of Brazilian wool. I'm going to crochet with 7 strands. Then after crocheting 7 strands, I'm going to be using my eco styling gel. I'll add it on my hair so that it won't have any picture at the body of the braid. Now I'm going to take 10 strands of Brazilian wool to braid my hair. Yeah, total amount of Brazilian wool I use is 17 strands of Brazilian wool. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. The main reason why I use this method is that I'm going to hide my hair. The color black hair is going to show, but it won't be really too over obvious, or how will I put it, it's still going to show. Your hair is black and I'm using color brown. Let's say brown or gold. Let's say it's gold. So now you can see what I'm doing. I'll crochet with 7 strands. I'll use the eco styling gel. I'll apply it on my hair. Then I'll start braiding with 10 strands of Brazilian wool. If you have any picture at the body of the braid, you can easily use your scissors to cut that off. But the main reason why you're going to be having a lot of picture on the body of your braid, what I mean by that is that you seeing excess Brazilian wool at the body of the braid you braid, that means you didn't allow all the Brazilian wool braids, how will I put it, all the Brazilian wool to be the same length. So if you don't allow the Brazilian wool to be the same length, you are going to have a lot of excess Brazilian wool at the body of your braid when you finish braiding it. But that is not a problem. You can easily use your scissors to trim that off. You are going to see what I'm talking about. You can see I'm using my scissors to trim it off. Then I'm cutting the excess Brazilian wool I tied with two strand of Brazilian wool. I form a knot, then I tie a loop. You are going to see what I'm trying to explain. Now crochet with 7 strands. When you form a loop, use one hand to drag out the second Brazilian wool. I don't know how to explain this part very well, but I know you really understand. Then I'll take 10 strands of Brazilian wool to start braiding. Make sure you check the length check, make sure. Then I'll take 2 strands of Brazilian wool, form a loop, then tie a knot twice. So I'm going to use my scissors to cut the excess. Can you see what I'm saying? Then I'll chop that up. I don't know why I'm always happy when I'm done braiding. When I'm doing the last braid, I'm always happy, as in extraordinary happy. Like, oh my God, at last we are done. You know, that kind of joy, that kind of happiness. Guys, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, share with your loved ones, share, comment down below. Please make sure you thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you are still watching to this extent, sis, God bless you. I really appreciate your support and love. So now the final look. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. I didn't know this color is going to look so beautiful on me like this. I love the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please support your girl. Make sure you support me by allowing my channel to grow. I really appreciate that. Like, subscribe, share with your loved one. God bless you.